So Gopal and the Hilsa fish. So first scene of the story is of a pond, nearby a pond or river. Okay. So it was a season for Hilsa fish. Fishermen could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. Actually, all were talking about only Hilsa fish. They have nothing to talk about. They have only one topic. What was it? Hilsa fish. Now, fishmonger sold nothing but Hilsa fish. Means fish sellers. They have nothing to sell, only Hilsa fish. Come buy the price. Come buy. The price of Hilsa fish is down today. Means they told that today's price is very low. Now, householders could talk of nothing but Hilsa fish. How much did you pay for Hilsa? You wouldn't believe if I told you. Means on that particular day, a price was very low. That is why uh, nobody want to believe about the price. And in the palace, now this scene is of king court, king's palace. And in the palace and the courtyard could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught. It was. Now stop it. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? Means the king get annoyed. King got annoyed because everyone was only talking about Hilsa fish. So he said to his courtier that, are you a fisherman or courtier? Why are you talking about the Hilsa fish? The courtier fell silent. With downcast eyes, the king felt guilty. Now, king was too much angry. That is why king felt guilty for his mistake. He said, I am sorry, I lost my temper. Temper means the state of mind. It is the season for Hilsa fish, and no one, not even Gopal, can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish, not even for 5 minutes. Means he told to courtier that he had lost his state of mind. He was very angry because of the Hilsa fish. No one is interested in any topic, only Hilsa fish, Hilsa fish. Nobody is able to stop the topic. Okay, so he asked his one of his courtier, whose name is Gopal, and actually he challenged him. He, if anyone, no one is able to stop the talking about the Hilsa fish. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. So here Gopal added that he would able to do it. Then let me see you buy a huge Hilsa fish. Huge means big, and huge Hilsa means fish, and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. Now here Gopal accepted the challenge of king to buy a Hilsa fish without making a scene, or no one was talking about. A few days later, after a few days, in this particular scene, you can imagine that he is Gopal and she is his wife. Why is your face half shaven? He actually shaved his face half. Okay. Now she asked him about why he shaved his face half. I am dressing up to buy a fish. Now he answered that he is going to buy a Hilsa. What is the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? Means he putting ash. Smearing means putting on the body. He putting all over on his body ash. वो राख लगाने लग जाता अपनी बॉडी पे. Now I told you I am dressing up to buy a Hilsa fish. Listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? Means he wore disgraceful, means torn dresses. सारी जो वो ड्रेस पहनता वो फटी हुई थी चारों तरफ से. हाउ मैनी टाइम्स मस्ट आई टेल यू वुमेन आई एम टू बाय अ ह्यूज हिल surface. He again answered that he was going to buy a hill surface. Now his wife said to herself, it's happened, what happens to him, he's gone mad. She thought that his husband gone mad.